Welcome back to the Winchester Star building. I'm Jared Wiggins, project manager with Harmon Construction, and we're going to take a look at the next phase. In the original building built in the 1940s, they had these trenches dug, and what they would use them for is to keep either mechanical, plumbing, or electrical for easy access. Since this project is going to be a lot more permanent, what we ended up doing is we dug out those trenches and we pulled out the existing MEP stuff, and now we put back in plumbing, permanent plumbing this time. We're going to backfill it up, seal it over, and that way we can put our flooring on top and everything will be level. We got to put drywall up below these beams right here for fire safety. And basically what that gives is an extra layer of protection to protect both that floor above and the floor below from any fire damage that might happen. And so we're laying drywall up, and then underneath that drywall, we're going to go and do an HVAC system and our plumbing and our electrical, anything that we need to do that goes above ceiling. Then we're putting our tile ceiling in, and that's what you're going to see is that finished tile ceiling. Let's take a look at the other section. This half of the building was an addition to the original 1940 side. One of the things that you'll notice is the elevation change. It's a lot higher than the other space. And one of the reasons why is because the existing exterior of this building was below where we're standing right now. Any concrete work, anything we had to do, we had to dig down and dig deep. So this slab right here, it could be 12 inches deep. We're gonna have 3 new windows being put in here, 1, 2, and 3. We're building out this wall quite a bit. It's a lot thicker than you normally do a fur out. This is about a 2x6, whereas normally we do something close to 1.5 inches. We're building this out to allow for new plumbing that's gonna later feed potential future apartments that are gonna be put above this space. Since we're limited here on how tall our ceiling is, and since we're keeping the existing HVAC system, we had to only build out the beams to protect those from fire. Our owners for this space were thinking through some future potential apartments in the above section of this building. And so some of the decisions design-wise that we've done here is for that space. Basically, we're gonna build a lobby so that people can come through, they can go upstairs to their apartments and not have to worry about this office space below. So it's just separation to make sure that the offices and the apartments don't interact. So this project has had its challenges. We looked at the trenches, we looked at the drywall, we looked at the ceiling, we looked at the fire code, we looked at all those things, but it's coming along. Thanks for joining me on this tour at the Winchester Star building. I'm Jared Wiggins, project manager with Harmon Construction. Join me next time as we walk through the progress of the Winchester Star build out.